Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Folding Tine Row. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Folding Tine Row. The Folding Tine Row is located in the lower dish rack and it helps organize your dishes. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged or it's rusty and staining your dishes. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we're going to pull the lower dish rack out and we're going to lift the silverware basket out and set it aside. Now that we have the silverware basket out, we have access to the Folding Tine Rows. There's one in the back and there's one in the front. They're both different but changed out the same way, and they're held in by 4 clips across the dish rack. In order to release them, we're going to press on the clip and then press forward on the tine row. Just go across and release all 4. Once you have all the clips released, you can pull the Folding Tine Row off the dish rack. Here's the old Folding Tine Row next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new Folding Tine Row in, you just want to set it down and line it up with the clips and make sure it's locked into place over here. Once you have it in place, you can just go down the line and push it into all 4 clips. Once you have it in place, we can put the silverware basket back in. To put it in, all you have to do is set it in place so it hooks on the rack, and then we can push the lower dish rack back in. Close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.